What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is primarily going to be driving footage from an autocross, but whenever these videos get made and posted, they typically tend to reach a different audience. So I thought that I would do a quick walk around and then we'll get straight to that driving footage. For those who don't know what this is my 93 MR2. It has a Honda V6 now, so a J32A2 M90 blower. This car is just a stripped out track toy. Really, its only purpose in life is to go to to any motorsport event and just have fun. That's the car. I'm also pretty excited because with all this crazy stuff that's going on, events are being canceled or there's severe restrictions, so it kind of makes it harder to even get into an event. So the fact that we're doing anything at all today is pretty awesome to me. Lastly, the venue and the organization we are running with is the same one that I got kicked from about a year ago because my exhaust was too loud. I'm still a little nervous about it, but I have switched out the exhaust, so I should be fine. I think it's just anxiety because of what happened last year. There were some technical delays, but finally getting to run. I probably had like 10 or 15 people who actually remembered me from last year when my car was way too loud. So that's kind of funny. Anyways though, my game plan for today is actually short shift from first to second and then just kind of lug it around. It's a really tight technical figure 8. So I'm not really going to be able to put much power down. In addition to that, there's actually a lot of rocks and stuff like that. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of throttle control today, which is something I do have to work on. Quick, car handles freaking amazing. It's actually very well balanced in neutral now. So the wheel tires changes along with the tuning or the suspension alignment changes made a huge difference. The braking is definitely lacking still. I think some pads will make a huge difference. Obviously for track days, I'm going to deal with heat fade or brake fade because of the heat. So I'll have to eventually go to bigger calipers and stuff like that. But for autocross and street use, some nice sticky pads will make the difference. So yeah, the point is, or the plan is, try to get faster, of course, because like I said, this car is fantastic right now. I'm just the limiting factor. Guys, quick little update. The computer's kind of acting funny, so the car's not really wanting to idle. I have to give it gas for a few minutes and then it'll idle. My AFR gauge stopped working, so what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do the perfectly responsible thing and just send it. I got one more run left, so or two more, one or two. I got a couple runs left, so yeah. Guys, first of all, I apologize for the cruddy audio, but I figured out what that was. So I lost my brakes, and if you look down here, you're gonna see brake fluid everywhere. I believe I ended up well, first of all, tearing my brake line. In addition to that, I think I bent that tab for the front sway bar, so that sucks. Overall, to summarize today, so like besides the braking, really happy with the progress. Like I said, I think I'm getting more comfortable with the car. The car is starting to kind of get well balanced and situated. Obviously, I got to fix that whole front end issue, whatever it is. Luckily though, the sway bar is not ripped out. I looked under, they're definitely not ripped out. Also, I don't want to forget the electronics. Obviously they were acting funny. I really think that has to do with the heat. And if it's not that, it's probably like the constant jostling back and forth that comes obviously from autocross or any motorsport. So I'm gonna probably have to just kind of look around, make sure that nothing's melted first of all because of the heat, and that everything's nice and tight. Well guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys sticking around, and definitely stick around. We'll probably in the next video or two kind of see exactly what's wrong with it. Yeah, obviously it's not the funnest thing to have it break or have the brakes fail, but that's kind of how it goes with motorsports. Overall, today was a lot of fun, and I'm really glad I got to come here. So catch you guys in the next video.